Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Chase for recurring payments using credit card step by step clearly. To register with Chase for recurring payments using your credit card, start by visiting the Chase website or open the Chase mobile app. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on the Enroll button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section in the main menu. Look for the option labeled Recurring Payments or Manage Payments. Click on Set up Recurring Payments. Select the credit card you wish. Enter the payment amount you want to set for each transaction. Choose the frequency of the payments, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Provide the start date for the recurring payments. You may also have the option to set an end date if you want the payments to stop automatically after a certain period. Confirm the payment details on the next screen to ensure everything is correct. Review any additional options or terms related to recurring payments. Once you're satisfied, click on the Submit or Confirm button to finalize your setup. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your recurring payment has been successfully registered. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation or details regarding your recurring payment setup. You can manage or modify your recurring payments anytime through your Chase account. It is always a good idea to monitor your account regularly to ensure all payments are processed as scheduled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.